today we're going to distillery where they're making Rakia. Smell.
That's not unusual.
Actually, I think they have a 20 plus different kind of Rakia, so we'll taste that. I think they make a little bit of gin. See how they are making all those drinks. We're going to taste it and maybe have some meze. We call that as a kind of small bite. We serve meze as a start before some main dish. I don't know. Pardon? Maybe not this one. This is entrance. Ulaz. Ulaz. There is no apostrophe. With apostrophe it's J.
Branco's Distillery, you will find antique shelf display portfolio of over 20 distinct spirits. Every creation is available for both tasting and purchase.
It looks good. Dobar dan. You want some gin?
Rakia Bar as a company exists since 2006.
Yeah.
And the distillery is here from 2018. So,
oh, it's quite young.
yeah,
actually.
quite young, but everything that is happening when it comes to production is happening from 2006. But it's not currently. We use it for gin. We distill gin twice a week, and everything else is happening here. Apart from cutting of the fruit and leaving it to ferment, everything else is happening here in the distillery. So all the drinks that have golden brown color are in the barrels, and the barrels are here. And every rakia that is transparent is kept in metal pots that are behind these bars here, which is where the production part is. Small and craft distillery, we don't have that much quantities when it comes to the bottles and the liquid and everything else. For example, currently we have a huge problem with glass industry since they failed since Corona, and we can't get the bottles that we need. So we can't bottle the liquid that we have, and we can sell
Just give a barrel.
Yeah, we were thinking about that. We also thought it's on the counter here and over here, which is around 25 different drinks, from 25 to 50% of alcohol. So there's something for everybody. There are liquors that have 25, and the one that I mentioned that has 50 is one of the probably most unique rakias on the market currently, because it's the only one that should be served with ice.
There is one more interesting thing. At Belgrade Urban Distillery, you have the unique opportunity to craft your own personalized Rakia blend and securely store it in their Rakia bank. Branco uses no additional aromas, sugar, colors, additives, or flavor enhancer.
It's important to have a glass of water while tasting rakia, and it's also important to have a full belly. So if you had lunch, that's amazing. If not, we prepared some snacks for you so that you can enjoy the food as well with the flavors of rakia. So
Okay.
very good. The ones look more like pips. And if you want a high quality rakia, you should use only the female. Everything good comes from females in life. And before we start to make rakia, you need to leave the fruit to ferment for 2 to 6 weeks, and to gain more juice from it and to speed up a bit the process of fermentation, we slice it in really thin slices and leave it to ferment. So the secret behind rakias that don't have any bitterness or anything like that is taking the seeds out, as you know, probably from the spirit industry. Your wife mentioned that you work with alcohol, so you probably know.
Me, I make wine. It's nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Yeah. Taking out. Yeah, taking out seeds.
Don't take nothing. Yeah.
But you made some brandy
I made in my backyard. You know, some
Backyard?
like in my garage.
Oh, okay.
Like homemade.
Yeah, he bought a copper kind of distillation. Yeah.
I made small.
And
Yeah.
yeah, you made like a few bottles of pure alcohol.
The percentage.
70,
No,
no,
more.
oh, 80, 90. It was few different.
The third time it was 82, I think, the whole thing.
Smell.
That's not unusual.
Yeah.
The distilling process of rakia needs to have 2 layers. The first distillation gives us soft rakia, which has 20
No.
to 30% of alcohol, and it's not consumable. It's not a drink that you would
Yeah.
serve. But the second distillation makes a drink that has 60 or 70, and then we lower it with distilled water.
It smells really great. It's very smooth.
But you see, when it's good rakia, it doesn't burn you.
There's black olive paste on the bruschetta, some cow cheese. This can be spicy if you're not good with spicy meat. Because you know,
Yeah.
Poland is the name of the sausage, and pork ham.
Check it, Sophie, check, Sophie. But it's really nice, it's really clean.
Yeah, it's good. It's warm. I drink it. It's warm. Nice.
That's why we are drinking in the morning. Sort of.
It should be served at around 15 Celsius, but we don't have any conditions to cool down all the big bottles.
Yeah.
But if you get a bottle of for yourself, keep it in the fridge and should
I don't mean it's warm when I drink it. I mean the alcohol is warm. You know. When
Yeah, but the smell must be followed by the taste that you have, because if it smells too pleasant, then it means that something has been added. Something that's like perfumed.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Not high quality.
Especially because there's no so many quints, that's why.
Yeah, they told me to double.
It's really rare, but he tried once because I'm with the bikers, and then they brought something like, I don't know, 30 years ago, so somebody buried in a couch or something. You know? And then the guy brought it, and it was really delicious. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but
Yeah? You need from 15 to 20 kilos of quince for 1 liter of rakia.
yeah, that's a lot.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And that's also the reason why people usually, like, the majority of the fruit they use for quince rakia are apples, and then they add just a small amount of quince for it to gain some aromas and flavors from the fruit that they see that it is.
Yeah.
Tips and tricks of
Want juice or no? Want to smell? Good.
She tried on the top of the tongue, and she's like, I want more. Yeah. So don't give her. I thought she would say, no.
But it's tasty. It smells really different.
Yeah, the second one is apricot.
Apricot.
Yes. No, you tell me. Even this one you told me because my grandmother she made jam from it. Exactly the same smell. Yes.
Oh, yes. Smells good.
Smell it.
I like this one too.
Oh, it's really nice. I think it's things in Africa are my favorite fruits.
Yeah.
So you stuff like this.
But I like honey too. Just it's tend to be liquor more than
Somebody told me they make rakia from milk.
Rakia from milk?
Yeah, I heard that.
I think they make from coffee, right?
Not quite sure.
I think I saw somewhere they make from coffee. That's olive paste, Sophie.
Like olive? No.
Chceš da probaš sirmico?
Just to compare the difference. This is twins that was in the barrels.
Yeah.
Okay. Hvala.
Also one of my favorites.
Can you smell?
I think it can match with a different kind of food comparing to the others.
Yeah,
This one is a little bit more.
that's straight fruit and that's something that's already smoky.
Healthy and you drink rakia. And you feel happy after that. This one is really good, yeah. So far I think the one with the barrel one for me is, as you said, for evening or maybe like a wintry meals.
Yeah.
And these are for lunchtime.
Yeah.
One for
That one is apple. That
Yeah.
was in the barrel for 1 year. And it's quite unusual for apple rakia to be in the barrels. It's usually clear. But we decided to put it in the barrels and turned out really, really good.
Well, the same, give the same taste.
Mommy, can I
smell.
smell? Yeah.
But you don't like it, Sophie.
Could I not like?
I'll send this shot to grandma so they can fluff.
Or brandies
Exactly.
say that some cinnamon sticks and leave them to macer. And after that, strained it and distilled it together with water. Penny ice is just pure 50 and plum.
Too rough, yeah.
Too rough for some if you're not a whiskey drinker or you don't like spirits. But if you do, that's perfect. And you don't dilute it. Or you just drink it straight.
Yeah, we usually drink without ice.
I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table, cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do.
I have it here, okay? You eat? I have the kit here. Where are we?
Let's go there.
One half liter of beer is 50 cents. It's like 69 liters. The good one, but in New Zealand it's like one beer like this. You
Eight.
pay $3, you're happy, really happy.
Oh, usually it's more, right?
Oh, baby, allez. Yeah.
Hi, the Sophie.
Hey, marche un peu. Have you somebody is left sneeze? They are like.